ठीक है ठीक
So this is a question of May June 21, paper 23. Control accounts reconciliation. Okay. Read the question for
है। Yeah.
Ryan, please.
Yes. So Hamid prepares control accounts to check the accuracy of his business purchases and sales ledgers. Explain two benefits to a business of using control accounts other than checking the arithmetic accuracy of ledgers.
So give me two benefits of using control accounts other than
So
checking
Miss,
the mathematical accuracy of the ledger. Yeah, tell me.
the first one could be it can help you prevent fraud,
Okay.
and the second one could be it like provides a total details of the trade payables and the total of credit
Now listen to
trade
me.
payables.
Okay, this is for 4 marks. How much marks is this for? 4
For
marks. That means you have to give 4 points.
yeah.
Even if they're asking you for two benefits, so in the first benefit, you will have to write 2 points that is related to it. So your first
Hmm.
benefit was that it helps to check for frauds, correct?
Yes.
Okay. It helps to check for frauds and you have to continue ahead so that you get more 2 marks.
Yeah.
As the
Okay.
work of the ledger clerk is going to be checked by another member. So the
Hmm.
first point will be it helps to check for fraud as the work of the ledger clerk is checked by another member.
Okay.
Now, second point, come on, tell me.
So the second point would be it provides quick access to total for trade receivables and trade payables to facilitate preparation of financial statements.
So it gives you the totals of trade receivables and trade payables at one place so that it facilitates preparation of financial statements. Come on, first memorize it, then write it.
Mm.
Come on. On the
Okay.
31st of January, Hamid is giving me the following information. What information is he giving me?
The following information. The
What is
balance of the sales that the
yeah,
balance of the SLCA on 1st January was 17,820. So that's the
okay, come
opening
on. Tell
balance.
me where will this go?
This will go in the SLCA debit side.
Very good. Write it on the SLCA debit side.
Mm. Okay.
Balance begin down.
Yeah, so 17,820.
Very good. Okay, go ahead.
Mm.
1 minute, hang
So
on.
the next,
Come on,
okay.
read.
So totals for January 2021 for books of prime entry.
Okay.
So
Discount
yeah,
allowed. Where will it go?
this discount allowed is SLCA.
Which side?
SLCA credit side.
Okay. Receipts from trade receivable.
That's credit sales. So debit side from SLCA.
Buy credit sales.
Receipts. Okay, so it's sales then, right?
Buy sales. This is money received, right?
Yeah.
Receipts
Okay, yeah,
from
money
trade
received.
receivables is money received, right?
Yeah, money received.
Which side?
Credit side.
Okay, SLCA credit side. Come
Mm.
on. Contra entry with purchase ledger. Which side?
Contra Contra entry with purchase ledger. Would this come in both SLCA and PLCA?
But right now, what are we asked to prepare?
Yeah, SLCA. So it's going to be coming on the credit side.
Okay, fine. Sales journal. What is this?
Cash book. Cash book.
Oh my God. This is sales journal. That means it is what?
Sales ledger.
See, we have to make SLCA. You have to tell me where will this go in SLCA. What does the
Okay,
sales
so
journal give us?
sales journal is credit sales.
Credit sales. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Sales return journal.
Sales return journal, credit side.
Ma, credit sales will be on the debit side.
Yeah,
Sales return
and
journal. That is sales return.
yeah,
Where will this go?
sales return. So it's going to be credit side.
SLCA credit side. Okay. What about this?
On 31st January,
Customer has
credit customer.
overpaid.
Hmm,
Where will this go?
over. Overpaid is debit side.
What debit side?
Overpaid, right? He overpaid.
Now listen to me. Sales ledger control account. What is the normal balance of sales ledger control account?
Normal balance is debit balance.
Okay, so the balance begin down is debit and the balance
Hmm.
close down is credit. Are you with me?
Credit. Yes.
Are you with me? Okay. This is the normal balance. However, sometimes your sales ledger control account can also have a credit balance.
Yeah.
Okay. So your sales ledger control account can also have a credit balance. This is the uncommon balance.
Hmm.
Why will it have a credit balance?
Because the customer may have overpaid,
Because
or
the
the ledger
customer
was,
might
yeah,
have overpaid.
yeah.
Okay. So here they are telling on the last date, a credit customer overpaid. So are they giving
Hmm.
us the closing balance?
Yes, they are giving us the closing
They are
balance.
indirectly giving us the closing, which balance?
Balance.
Closing credit balance.
Yes.
And the
So it's
closing
gonna
credit
be
balance will appear on which side?
debit side.
So the closing credit balance will appear on the debit side 170. So they are basically
Yes.
giving us the closing balance and now they've asked you to prepare a sales ledger control account. So here is the MS. Use it just for reference. You have to prepare the sales ledger control account, the first part of it. Pause the
Okay.
video and then prepare it and then I will go ahead. Okay. Okay, fine. Now see over here. Now additional information they've given us. On 31st of January, can you read it?
Yeah, miss. On 31st of January, the total of balances in the purchase ledger was 12,860. But the balance
And
of the purchase ledger, yeah, but the balance of the purchase ledger control account on this date was 12,980.
now what does this mean?
It's an error of amounts.
Okay, your purchase ledger. In purchase ledger, what do you make?
In purchase ledger, you make the purchase account, the supplier's account.
The supplier's account. In purchase ledger, you make the supplier account. And
Hmm.
purchase ledger control account is made in the general ledger.
Yeah,
Okay. So the supplier account and the PLCA were not matching with each other. Are you with me?
yeah, okay, understood.
Okay. One person is making the supplier account and the other person is making the PLCA, which resembles the supplier account, but their
Hmm.
balances should be the same, but they are not the same.
Yes,
Okay. So what do they want us to do?
correction.
They want us to do the correction. So they want the correction of the purchase ledger and they want the correction
Yeah.
of the PLCA.
Hmm. Okay.
So what was the balance of the purchase ledger?
12,860.
Okay, so this is the balance of the purchase ledger.
Hmm.
What is the balance of the PLCA?
12,980.
So that means this is the incorrect balance of the purchase ledger and this is the
Hmm.
incorrect balance of the PLCA. Are you with me?
Yes.
Now they've given us the errors. We have to decide that the correction of errors will happen in which account.
Hmm.
Okay, come on, read.
Okay. The total of the discounts received column of 110 had not been posted from the cash book.
Okay, so there was a total of the discount received column 110. It has
Hmm.
not been posted from the cash book. Tell me where will you take?
Yeah. So since it is discount received, it's gonna be in the PLCA,
Okay, it is going to be in the PLCA. Why not the
debit side.
supplier account?
Why not the supplier account? Because I mean, miss, because the first thing it says discount received, so that's why I'm thinking it's gonna be a PLCA.
Okay. Cash book is something which is both a journal as
Yeah.
well as a ledger. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
If something has to happen in the purchase ledger, they should tell us, they should mention ledger or supplier account.
Hmm.
If they've
Okay.
not mentioned, I will put it directly in the PLCA. So
Wait, could
discount
you repeat the point? Could you repeat the point? I didn't get
I
it.
have not mentioned if this error is happening in the ledger or supplier account.
Hmm.
Okay, the total of the discount received column is always taken and it is given put it in the general ledger.
Okay.
Okay, always the total of the discount received column is taken and it is posted in the general ledger.
Yeah.
And in the general ledger, you make your PLCA account. You do not make your supplier account.
Yeah, you can't. You don't.
Okay, so the general ledger has PLCA, SLCA, and the
Yeah.
purchase ledger has what?
Purchase ledger has the what was it called?
Purchase
Yeah,
ledger will
purchase
have a supplier
supply
account,
account.
and
Yeah.
general ledger will have what?
PLCA.
PLCA, SLCA.
Yeah.
So it has not been posted from the cash book, so this will go in the PLCA. Now tell me, discount receipt will go in PLCA which side?
So discount receipt will go in the PLCA debit side.
Okay, very good. So PLCA debit side. PLCA
Yeah.
normal balance is which what side?
Credit side.
Okay, so if I'm posting it on the debit side, I will do plus or minus?
So it's gonna be minus.
Minus. So see, discount received is put on the minus.
Yeah. Okay.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
The total of the purchase return journal had been overstated by 250.
So purchase return journal.
Journal.
Anything that happens in the journal, where do we do it?
Anything that happens in the journal will come to PLC, like control
PLC.
accounts, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
control accounts. If it was ledger, then I would do over here. Ledger customer
Yes.
account here. Okay.
Yeah.
So overstated.
Mm.
Purchase return
Overstate.
overstated. Now tell me purchase return will come in the
Mm.
PLCA which side?
Purchase return PLC is gonna be on the debit side.
On the debit side. Okay. Now it
Yeah.
is overstated. Overstated same
Mm.
side, opposite side.
So it's gonna be opposite side.
Opposite side.
Yeah.
Opposite side, that means this correction will happen on the credit side.
Yes.
Credit side of PLCA, you have to do the correction. You will do add or minus.
Add.
You will do add. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Come on, read the third adjustment.
Okay. Interest of 130 charged by supplier because of an overdue balance had been debited to the supplier account.
Now tell me, this is charged by the supplier and the error has
Hmm.
happened in the supplier account.
Yeah.
Error has happened in the supplier account. So you will do the
Basically the ledger.
correction. Yeah, it will do the correction will be in the purchase ledger.
Ledger.
Now interest charged by supplier. It has to come on which side?
Interest charged by supplier. So it's gonna be the debit side. No, 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 credit side, miss. Credit side.
Credit
Sorry. Yeah,
side.
credit side.
So it is going to be on the credit side. Okay.
Hmm. Yeah.
It should be on the credit side. But what did you do?
Debited it to the supplier
You
account.
put it on the wrong side.
Yes.
So if you put it on the wrong side, what is the correction?
So, miss, wrong side, the rectification would be correct side and
Double
double the
amount.
amount.
Yeah, double
Double
amount.
amount and correct side.
So the rectification would be double amount and correct side. So double
Yeah,
amount
so one,
correct side. So
yeah,
you
so
will put
130
it
plus
on the credit side. Credit side, so you will add or minus.
credit side, you will add.
Okay, fine. See.
Hmm.
Okay. So you will add, and then after doing the rectification, your total of the purchase ledger should be equal to the total of the purchase ledger control account. Now I want you to
Hmm.
do it yourself. I will pause the video. You will do it, and then
Okay.
we'll see whether you're getting it or not.